It's a sunny day today, ain't it not?
Woo! It's
And
hot.
nobody come out to photo walk in the middle of the noon. Only us three. So we've got Robin today, and this is Andrew on the John and Andrew show fame. Famous.
No fame.
Famous.
3 million viewers. 3 million
And it
viewers
is
every
photo walk time. Let's hit the intro. So we are actually here in Sekinchan, which is like 1.5 hours from where we stay. And we're just out here doing some photo walks like what we usually do. Bring out the camera, have lunch over at that restaurant over there. Luckily they didn't take my hand, the bike. Had lunch over the restaurant over there, and now we're just gonna explore Sekinchan. You'll see some really nice town, or rather village houses around here. Pretty nice scenery. I come here to do a lot of gear reviews sometimes, so we see how the day pans out today. This is action 2, right?
Yes, DJI Action 2.
Magnetically strapped onto his chest. I wanted to say belly, but it looks like his chest. So it's neither here or there. You see how much of a dynamic range that this camera is lacking in 2021. Blown out in shadows. Blown out in shadows. I can imagine, right, if I'm better equipped, I'll probably have my tripod set up and some ND filters set onto the camera and do a nice long exposure. You get a glassy water on the sea, and then you have the steels all standing pretty tall and majestic, and then process it in black and white to get that kind of fine art print kind of look, I would reckon. But I digress. I don't have any of those things right now, so I'm just sitting here sulking about it, thinking about the shot that I could have made, because I'm under equipped. Damn it.
Hey.
Hey.
Not sure why the camera is showing me all black. Hopefully hopefully nothing bad is happening. I think the footage is gonna be amazing.
Yeah, flew the drone out there. I'm using a Spark. It's a 1080p drone, and the drone is up there doing its own thing. Small little Spark does wonders in it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little footage that I shot just now, and we're almost done with this Pantai Redang over here. So this dating mic, you know, the D4 Duo, there's the capsule in front where it's pointed to you.
Woo.
Right, and there's a capsule behind that's actually recording what I say, so we can literally just have a conversation while we're walking and vlogging. And apparently this is a thing that people do on YouTube, you know,
Yeah, like
walk and vlog. So Andrew wants to get a drone.
Bye. 12
Right.
coming.
I want to get an
It's
Set
like
9.
the purchase list goes so freaking long for photographers and videographers out there. And I do not know whether this is a healthy thing. Wow, definitely not a healthy thing. So
We are just gearheads.
yes, we've got gas.
We just want to buy stuff.
We've got gas.
Hi.
What are we looking at? Or should I go straight? I think we go straight somewhere. Okay. Alright, let's go straight. And it's going to be gravel road now. It's going to be bumpy, so no matter what wire system you want, good luck. Alright guys, this is my only guess is this is why we should always come out and take photograph like during the magical hours, sunrise, sunset, and also you can get side lighting like this when it makes everything looks good. Don't you agree, guys? Hello. Yeah. So that's the shot of him at the young at the pole. Alright guys, the drone is back here, so I guess that's it. Thank you for watching this episode of After Walk. No gear review, just After Walk. I'll see you guys on the next video.